Hello guys, in this video we will try to identify the concept of breaklines. Here we have a surface. Actually this is a surface with a rod in the middle of it. So if we select the surface and then view it through object viewer, here remove the object viewer and zoom here. There is a rod in the middle part, but that is not much clear, so we are using this shades of gray option to view the surface. So you can see the rod is not much clear. So this is the place where we get the breaklines option comes handy. So first we will understand what is a breakline. To understand that, we will see this image. Here you have a road and here you have a hill, another embankment area. If you take the embankment area, you can see the levels are different from place to place. It is changing. In the hillside also same as that, but if you take the road, it has a predefined slope and you can clearly identify the slope. So that is what a breakline means. A breakline means a place where the surface breaks. That means you can break the surface to an identifiable slope at this location. So if we take the edge of the roads, between the edge of the road slope is identifiable and it is changing gradually, so you can say it is a breakline. Edge of the slopes are breaklines. Same as that, you can say the center line of the road is also a breakline. So likewise you can say the top of dam is a breakline or bottom of dam is a breakline, and a wall is a breakline because they have pre-identifiable slopes. So let us add these breaklines to the surface. So we have this edge of the roads lines and center line of the road. They are 3D polylines, as you can see here. So we will add these 3D polylines to the surface as breaklines. First of all, select all the breaklines at once. Also you can use select similar option to select the breaklines. Then go to surface and definition. Under surface EG, here you go to definition and go to breaklines, right click and say add, and let's say it is BRKL, name of the breaklines. Since we are using 3D polylines as breaklines, the type is standard. Let us keep the other options as it is and click OK. So then you can see the breaklines are added to the surface. Now let's click on the surface and view the surface through object viewer. Here you can see a nice road in the middle of the surface, because now we gave the breaklines of the surface or the edge of the road as the breaklines, so it gives you a nice shape of road in the middle of the surface. So that is what you called breaklines.